Hey everyone! The second video for reviewing that I am going to try a M&M Blizzard from Dairy Queen. So let's give a taste of the M&M Blizzard from Dairy Queen. It's way better than McDonald's M&M McFlurry, but I had to try the Blizzard one that I got from the Dairy Queen today. Mixed up with all colors, just like the yogurt that I tried, the Yo Crunch and yogurt, but it looks to be crunchy for the chewy texture of the candy. My third video for today that was real so brain-free style for the Dairy Queen's M&M Blizzard. So that's 9.8 out of 10, everyone.